Pratap Singh. I am from Rudrapur, Udham Nagar, Uttarakhand. It is situated in the southern part of Kumaon division. It is also situated near famous hill station Nainital. I have passed my matriculate and senior secondary studies from Delhi Public School, Rudrapur. Currently, I am pursuing BSc Honours Agriculture from Lovely Professional University, Fakwada. After the completion of my degree, I want to opt for government jobs like assistant manager in rural development banking sector at NABARD. I personally think that banking jobs offer a variety of opportunity and rapid career growth progression. Getting selected as an assistant manager in rural development banking sector at NABARD involves a strategic approach. NABARD or National Bank for Rural Development is an apex development and financial institution of India. The NABARD exam refers to the recruitment exam conducted by NABARD for various positions within the organizations. Under the Grade A exam comes the post of Assistant Manager in the Rural Development and Banking Sector and Raj Bhasha Service. The Grade B examinations under which comes the positions of Manager in Rural Development Banking Sector and Raj Bhasha Service. The NABARD Rural Development Banking Sector Grade A exams are conducted in three stages. The first stage is prelims, where the exams are multiple choice questions type and objective type questions. The subject usually include of English and reasoning questions and professional knowledge in the agriculture rural development. The second stage is the main examination, which comprises of both objective and subjective type questions. The subjective type questions included are English writing skills, economic and social issues, agriculture and rural development, and an optional subject chosen by the individual according to the degree. The candidates that are shortlisted from the main examinations are called for the personal interview. The interview consists of candidate knowledge and communication skills of sustainability in the rural development banking sector. The final selection is based on the marks obtained in the final examination and interview. The eligibility criteria in this exam include the bachelor degree in relevant disciplinary including agriculture, fisheries, horticulture, veterinary sciences and etc. Candidate must be 21 to 30-year-old in order to appear in this examination. The role of assistant manager in the rural development banking sector at NABARD includes responsibilities which are responsible for financial services and rural development. The key aspect of this job is credit management, policy implementation, promotions, and monitoring of sustainable practices. So, I would like to conclude by saying choose a job that you love and you will never have to work a day in your life.